In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix this error. Valorant failed to launch. Something unusual happened while trying to launch Valorant. I only have two solutions you can try to fix this error. The first one, you have to go to the Valorant launcher. After you go to the Valorant launcher, right-click and then go under Properties. After you go under Properties, you have to go under Compatibility. After you open Compatibility, you make sure that you untick or uncheck Run as Admin and disable full screen optimizations. After you do that, make sure you apply and then you press OK. If you're still facing the same error, you can try the second solution. Open the Windows icon, type in Run. After you open this, you have to type in services.msc. After you open that, press OK and run it. There will be this menu that comes out. You have to look for the file VGC. I do not have it at the moment, but make sure that it's under automatic. When you find the VGC file, right-click it, and then you go to Properties, and then change it to automatic, and then press Apply, and then OK. Restart your computer. Those are the two solutions you can use to try to fix your error.